Welcome, everyone. I am Alex. I'm excited to introduce you to Ayonix. Ayonix is a cutting-edge technology company that specializes in AI and face recognition and identity verification solutions. With a focus on accuracy, speed, and security, Ayonix has developed a range of innovative products that are changing the game for businesses and organizations around the world. From access control systems to video surveillance software, Ayonix is revolutionizing the way we identify and track individuals in real time. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore some of the incredible products Ayonix has to offer. Our products will be introduced as 1. Access Control Terminal. 2. Ayonix AIBOX Smart Face Recognition Box. 3. Bodycam for security and bodyguards. 4. Thermal sights for military use. And 5. An autonomous AI drone. Now, let's have a close look for each one. Ayonix's Access Control Terminal is an all-in-one multimodal biometric access control device to grant or deny access to secure areas. It's fast, accurate, and secure, making it an ideal solution for businesses, airports, and government facilities. Since it has time attendance management functionality, employee management is also easy and simple. Ayonix's AIBOX is an all-in-one AI-powered surveillance system that uses facial recognition, object detection, and behavior analysis to keep your premises safe and secure. With real-time alerts and notifications, it's the ultimate security solution for any organization. With its API set, you can do any kind of integration. Ayonix's Bodycam is an industry-first AI wearable camera that uses built-in facial recognition to identify individuals and track their movements. It's perfect for law enforcement and security personnel who need to quickly and accurately identify people on the go. Its built-in face database can match up to 10,000 people. It has SOS button for emergency cases, walkie-talkie and GPS tracking feature to communicate with other personnels. Ayonix's Thermal Scope is a high-tech device that uses 50 nanometers thermal imaging to detect heat signatures. It's ideal for military and law enforcement applications, as well as search and rescue missions. It can recognize an object from 2.6 kilometers at 0 lux light. Its laser rangefinder helps to estimate the object in high accuracy. It can be mountable to any snipers and rifles. Ayonix's drone is equipped with advanced facial recognition technology and thermal imaging capabilities, making it an ideal tool for surveillance and search and rescue missions. Its small size and maneuverability make it perfect for hard-to-reach areas. As a summary: 1. Access Control and Time Attendance Terminal. 2. AIBOX AI Face Recognition Device. 3. Bodycam for police and bodyguards. 4. Monocular for military use. 5. Long-range drone. Finally, Ayonix's innovative products, including Access Control, AIBOX, Bodycam, Thermal Scope, and Drone, are revolutionizing the way we approach security and surveillance, and providing organizations with the tools they need to keep people and assets safe. You can contact us by email or directly call us for pricing and details. Thank you and see you in our next video. Ayonix, your AI solution partner.